camera's recording, mic's recording. This should be good. Better be good. I guess the bike's still cold. I'll warm up a little bit. So I've been thinking of getting a swing arm bag for this, but I don't think it's gonna fit. So I honestly don't know what to do. I really want new bags. I want to put on side bags on these. You know the bags I have are the throw-over bags, so they have to go over top this, but I don't want it over top this because then I have to put on the seat to actually make it look somewhat decent, right? So I'm trying to find bags that I can hard mount or try and modify the ones I have right now to hard mount them, but I honestly don't know how to do that. So if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments. Alright guys, and before we continue on with today's video, I want to just ask you guys to please hit the subscribe button down below. It really means a lot, helps out the channel, and it's completely free. We are trying to get to 1K as soon as possible, and with your guys' help, that can be done within the month or by the end of March, and I really appreciate you guys for that. So if you guys could, again, please hit the subscribe button down below. It's completely free, and hit the bell notification if you guys want to stay up to date with my current videos. I'm going to be posting YouTube shorts daily and 2 long form videos a week, and yeah, that's gonna be it for me for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Anyways, welcome back, guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's your boy Jay the Moto Marauder back at again with another video, and today we're just out and about enjoying the Sunday as usual. I want to go on a longer trip, so we're going on a different route than usual. Just having a good old time, you know. Recently we've had tremendous growth on channel. We are getting so close to 1K, so before I go through the whole blooper and everything, if you guys could drop a like and subscribe down below, it'll really help with the channel. We're almost at 1K, and that's been a goal of mine for over almost 5 years now, so we're finally able to achieve that. It'll be amazing. The car battery is way too close. Did have a little rip today, just having some fun. No real agenda. Shake things up. I think you guys might be tired of the same route that we usually go through. So yeah, hope you guys can appreciate this. I never really ride out into this part of town on the bike. It was because a lot of accidents happen in this area, so I try to avoid it as much as possible. But I need to be prepared for anything and everything, so I need experience in these kinds of areas, you know. Stay vigilant is what I mean. There was a car show happening. I really wanted to go, but things didn't work out again, like the bike show. So I can't really do anything about that. Today was the last day for it, so I missed that. So I'm trying to plan better to get more content, more car content, because as you guys know from a couple of my shorts already, I'm trying to save up for a bike, so I'm not really doing any car mods yet to the E46. So I'm trying to get some other car content in for you guys. So it is what it is. I do plan on working on the BMW as well this summer, and hopefully pick up another car or a truck. I really want to pick up another truck. I need a truck. And the F-150 we have, it has a ton of issues, so I'm probably not going to be working on that. I'm probably going to post it up for sale. Feels good to be back on the road, man. A week cooped up in the office. I really need to land a new IT job. I really need to land an IT job or any job that's in an office, so I can have an excuse to ride this during the weekdays. Soon, probably. I want to try going to like evening car meets and all that. I haven't really gone to them before. I'd rather go with friends because I don't want to be like the odd one out. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to plan for those. I really want to go on some. So we'll see what happens. Go for a little rip. Comment down below what you've been up to this week. I would love to hear it. And if you guys ride too, do you have any rides planned? I had a short where I asked that, but I would love to know if you guys have any rides planned. If you guys are in BC, if you guys are located in BC or you have hidden in BC, what are some routes that you have taken that you would recommend? Because this summer, probably next week, I plan on going a little further out, probably on the highway for the first time, like for like a hour, for like a half-day trip. I'd say like an hour ride, chill for a bit where I'm going, then like ride back. So it's like probably like a 4 or 5 hour trip, but I'm going to be the riding for like 2 hours, most of it on the highway. So I would love to know if you guys were in VC, where you've rode your bike, and where's some places that you recommend. Right now I'm thinking of going to the Harrison. If you guys are in BC, the Harrison Hot Springs. I've been there once a few weeks ago with the family for the first time ever in my life, which is surprising because I thought it was very far away, but it's actually like a 45-minute drive away from where I live. So I plan on doing that with the bike, and once we hit 1K, I plan on doing a little group ride. I'm trying to arrange a group ride, so if you guys are in the PC area and you guys are interested in joining along. Now, I have no experience in group rides. This will be my first time joining one or hosting one. I don't know if I'd be hosting it, just like we all meet up and just go ride. The person who has the most experience takes the lead. But it'd be pretty fun to like get a couple of you guys together and just ride out up to Harrison, chill for a bit, grab some coffee, take some pics, take some content for the gram, you know, and then just have a good old time and ride back. It'll be fun. So if you guys are interested and you guys are in the BC area, comment down below or hit me up on Instagram, the same handle, Moto Marauder. And yeah, it'll be a grand old time, guys. There's like no one out today, man. It's amazing. This is a wide open road. I think we're in 5th gear now. Maxed out on gears. Hopefully don't look out for the elusive 6th gear. The thing is, we are about to hit 1K extremely fast. I don't know what happened between the For the Boys short and riding my bike to the university for the first time motovlog. But between those two, we have almost reached 1K by the end of March. This was my goal, and I thought it was unfeasible. It would be very, and I thought it'd be a very tough goal to reach. But we are almost there. We are at 941 right now. We only need 59 more subs, and we're at the 1K mark. Like, golly, goddamn, guys, thank you all. I really appreciate every single one of you for sticking around and supporting me. It's been a long time coming. I made this page back in like 2019. Back when I only had the Mustang. The Mustang's gone now, but I really want to get one back and like build one. It's a goal of mine to get one of those, you know? And build it up like a Cyclone Mustang, a 3.7 liter. That'd be amazing, guys. I'm trying to get my train of thought because it's too focused on the church. and there's a bug on my windscreen now. Like, thank you all. Like, I really appreciate it. Like, I've been wanting to grow this for a while, and like after I graduated university last year, I was like, okay, I'll give myself a year and see how it goes. If I see growth on the channel, I want to continue working on it. If I don't, then I want to call it quits and like stay focused on a 9-to-5 grind, which I still am. Don't get me wrong. I have the 9-to-5 grind, and I plan on staying on the 9-to-5 grind as well and get an IT role, because I work so hard for schooling and all that to like actually get to that point that now I want to reap the rewards. There's no point in actually doing all this if I don't reap the rewards even for a little bit. Was that the park? I think I missed the park. Hopefully I don't miss my turn. Hopefully I don't miss my turn with all this conversation. But yeah, so I'm going to do that, and since I've seen this growth on the channel, I'm going to continue working on this too. I plan to pick up another bike real soon. Then this summertime we're going to car meets, car shows. We're going to be working on some cars. We're hopefully going to restart the E46 build, get that up, and because it is running, but I want to do more to it than just keep it running. But I find it tough because it's an all-wheel drive E46. I feel like there's not as much of an aftermarket for those for performance-wise, because most of the exterior parts, the exterior modifications match with the regular rear-wheel drive E46s, but performance-wise there's not much. And for suspension and handling, it's harder to find parts used on the aftermarket because, well, it's the all-wheel drive. Not a lot of people would, I assume, from what I can see in my area, not a lot of people modified those to lower them or the handling wise, because they're pretty much good as they are. They're like on a rail kind of thing. It's like a brain, like it's on a rail. Hopefully we get the E46 up and running for mods. Maybe pick up another E46, a manual coupe. That's one of my dream cars. My dream project cars, I mean to correct myself, is a manual E46 coupe. I just love coupes. They're just my thing. I have always, for the most part, my personal cars have been coupes at a Pontiac Pursuit, which in America is either a Pontiac G5 or a Chevy Cobalt. One day I want to own a Cobalt SS as well, because it's just the homage to Need for Speed Most Wanted, and my first car was a Pursuit, which is basically the same car, just rebranded. So I want to do that. And E46, then I had the Mustang Coupe, and then yeah, both my personal cars were coupes. Sure, I had the pickup truck. That's like a home work construction, or like a work truck kind of thing. I don't really count that as my personal vehicles. For my personal vehicles, I've only had 2 cars, both coupes, and this bike. E46 we purchased from my sister. She was using it for a while. Then we bought her an SUV. So now she doesn't use that, and so I have the E46 to build it up or do whatever. And you guys enjoy it, so I'm keeping it. You know. Should I go here? I think it's here. So we'll figure it out. High plans. Now we are hitting 1K, but that doesn't mean the page is going to be demonetized immediately. We are still short 2,000 watch hours. So please comment down below what you guys want to see, and I'll make it happen. If it is anything in my power that I can do, if it is anything, what the thing went up 2 gears by mistake. So if it is anything that I can do within my power that's not really, expensive, like boost the 46 or supercharge the Marauder or something like that, or do like an engine swap. If it's something plain and simple, if it's a topic I can discuss on a motovlog, or some DIY stuff I could do to any of the cars that are listed right here, comment down below and I'll see if I can do it, unless I've already done it. One day we will eventually get there. We'll get some sport bikes, we'll get some nice little cruisers, we'll go on some little touring trips on the bikes. That's one thing I want to do, is I'll go for a long, like 5-day trip. I mentioned that before, like a way back. My father's fogging up, please. And yeah, I'm gonna just end this motovlog here, because I feel like I'm gonna ramble on for a long time. But we're just doing our thing. We're having an amazing day today. I think I'm gonna go grab some coffee right now and just enjoy the day. Got to do some work at home. So catch you guys in a bit. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. And again, thank you all for the support. I'm gonna keep on pushing out more content, and if you guys have anything you want to see, please do recommend it down below in the comments on any of my videos. I check all the comments. Well, I check the majority of the comments, I check the comments and reply as much as I can. So please do, if you have anything, comment down below. Alright guys, it's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, signing out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Adios.